Hey there. So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. We have a question that is labeled as closed and needs some additional details or clarity before it can accept any answers. This is a common issue that can arise on platforms where users seek help and guidance from the community. Now let's explore the solution to this problem. When it comes to solving this particular issue, there are a few key approaches that can be implemented. One elegant solution involves binding directly to the view model of the parent window. By using the provided code snippet, we can establish a connection that allows seamless communication between the components involved. Through this method, the command attribute is set to retrieve the window view model command from the data context of the window. This streamlined approach ensures efficient and effective interaction between the elements. So that's the solution in a nutshell. In summary, we've discussed the problem of a closed question requiring more details or clarity, and we've explored a sleek solution that involves binding to the parent Windows view model. By incorporating the suggested code snippet, you can enhance the communication flow within your application and address the initial issue effectively. Remember, innovation and creativity play a significant role in problem solving. With that said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!